2022 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing LT4 V8 engine is hand-built, says the chief engineer. There's never been a more powerful Cadillac than CT5-V Blackwing, the successor to the CTS-V and shorter brother of the CT6-V. Is rocking a good old pushrod V8 with a thumpin great blower, and similar to Mercedes-AMG, every single LT4 V8 is assembled by hand by one person. Wow, I didn't know that, but now we do. It used to be the high volume engine, said Blackwing chief engineer Mirza Grobovic, but now it's a single builder that build the whole engine. When they are done, they use a plaque with his or her name. We machined a little spot on the supercharger lid where he or she can put it on. Every customer will be able to see who built their engine. And this was told the GM Authority. The Performance Build Center in Bowling Green, Kentucky, is where the high output variant of LT4 is assembled. It's the same location where the LTA used to be made, also by hand and also by a single operator. As opposed to a small block V8 in the CT5-V Blackwing, the full-size sports sedan features a far more complex 4.2-liter dual overhead mill with a couple of turbos to boot. Now, how does the LT4 and the Blackwing compare to the LT4 and the Camaro ZL1? To be honest, they're too close at 668 compared to 650 horsepower and 659 compared to 650 pound-feet of torque. Given this information, the hand-built part is on the pretension side of things. How does the LT4 and the Blackwing compare to the LT4 and the Camaro? To be honest, like we said earlier, they're too close. And also worthy to note is the similarities between a Caddy and a Chevy include the 6-speed manual transmission and a 10-speed automatic transmission. Still, the CT5-V Blackwing is priced higher than the Camaro ZL1 and tops $121,895 if you specify all the optional extras that General Motors can throw at it. Wow, who would think that a Cadillac would cost $121,000? Wow. Last but certainly not least, care to guess if GM didn't use the more potent LT5 engine of the 7th generation Corvette ZR1 in a mid-size sports sedan? Now, according to Mirza Grobovic, you couldn't see out of the car, and we wouldn't have the right chassis for it due to the 305 30R19 tires, the rear tires, that is. Now, boy, if you were thinking about getting this, I guess you would have to wait for the ZR1 Corvette. But if you wanted to haul your family around, this is the one to get. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Man, these seats are nice. They look exquisite. I wonder if they move forward. Like, do they adjust? Can you adjust the headrest? This is definitely nice. Thanks for coming by, folks. Thanks for your time. And thanks for subscribing. And have an awesome and wonderful day. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.